I definitely need to get new tyres, guys. These are not gripping at all. Keep sliding. So that's something I'm definitely going to need to get. As you can see, we keep getting stuck. I might have to sort out the drive shaft. I think when I put the new ones in, they didn't go properly. So I think I'm going to have to sort them out and obviously get new tyres. I'm going to move back up to the top. As you can see, it was quite high, so I'm just going to pick it up. I'll meet you back at the top. See you in a bit. Yes, guys, we're at the top now. Let's try to take a nice slow route down. And then maybe go into the woods, which is over there. I'm driving one-handed right now, so if it is a bit slow me driving, that's why. This video is a bit boring, I get that. So yeah. Sorry if I haven't stopped the video, there's some people coming, so I just paused it. I've come from over there, I've gone over this little bit, hung up on something here. That little branch. But yeah, it's going pretty well so far. I'm going to try that at the top again and go back down. I was down here yesterday with my basher. So I'm going to try and make a video out of that. So I've got a few little shots. So I'm going to try and make a video out of that. But I definitely need to get some new tyres here because these aren't cutting it and that's not gripping. They're struggling to get up there. There you go, what's that? So I'm going to see what different tyres and wheels I can get. I'm going to sort out the drive shaft as well because for some reason the front wheel, if I pull it down, is spinning more than the back. So I think there's something going on there. But yeah, trying to get up here. Sorry if you hear dogs barking. I'm just at my local park, which is having some new stuff put in, and they've made this all flat, so I thought I'd take the chance and come up with my RC cars. So let's go to a technical bit and try to get down. Ooh, through the pothole. I'm filming this on my tripod, not my chest or head cam. So it makes a change. What do you guys think? Should we go maybe down there, use this bit somehow? Or should we go over there? I'll try this bit and then we can do the other bit. And then I think I'm going to go into the woods maybe. So, as you can see, look, the drag brake's working very well. What would happen if I turned it off? We would just fall. So it is a good thing we're here with it on. And dogs barking as some man who walks them. So yeah, look, as you can see here, front wheel is spinning, back isn't. So that's gonna have to get sorted. So as you can see, we've come down there, absolutely no trouble. Where it's rained, this ground is like just too soft and it's struggling on it. Give it a little help up on my foot. want still. Yeah, this is the first proper outside run I've done with it. Well, second, but it wasn't muddy. So, I don't know whether you can count it as a proper run. Because it wasn't muddy and it was drying in the middle of summer. As you can see, we've got this massive bit of dirt. See how it clears it? Absolutely fine. I would recommend this LC90 to beginners. Really good. Yeah, so I'll leave it here for the park, and I'll catch you in a bit in the woods, maybe. Peace. There's a little section here I'm going to try with it. Getting hung up on all the acorns. Give it a little push. Foot. So, yeah, there's too many acorns and it's not gripping. Where these tyres are muddy and wet. Give it another little push. Yeah, we got it. Right, catch you in the woods. Yes, here we are, guys, at the woods. They've made a lot of changes since I've last been here. They've cut down a lot of trees. So, yeah, it's going to be different. I've been in it since they've cut down the trees. So, yeah, let's go. It's doing very well on there. I think it was struggling in the park because it was just the dirt. See if I can get up there. Yeah, the dirt, it was soft and wet. And these tyres already have some dirt on, just not hooking up. I'm definitely going to invest in some new tyres and maybe some wheels. I'll just have to look around. I've lost the body pin for it, so we're only running with 3 body pins. So there you know. The body pins are so small. Maybe any old Iron Man come in for these tractor or excavator ruts. Can we make it up here? A bit stuck, but we're doing alright. We're not doing that bad as I thought. Maybe I could get some oil shocks if I get new wheels or tyres. So yeah, that'd be quite good. We're doing quite well actually, because you used to come in the woods from there, but you've obviously got all that open now, so you've got to go from there. Trying to stay off the stones to test its capability. It's doing quite alright. I mean, I think in that park it was just way too slippery and wet. Still getting hung up on a few things, but that's going to be expected. Yeah, hung up on a rock as well. And big boy. Right up on here. Doing quite well through here. In these little ruts, up over these little roots. Right. Getting caught up on the loose branches, but expected when I see such a small crawler. You just have to pause it there because man was walking his dogs. And they all come over to say hello to us. They were wondering what the RC car was. That's pretty cool. I might turn around now because we're getting quite deep into the woods and I don't want the battery to run out. I have to carry it all the way back to my house. So yeah. I'm a bit stuck because I want to get a new Basher, but I want to get a MJX. I know what one I like. But I've already got one, but I'm thinking a rally car would be really cool. So if you guys think, oh yeah, that would be, which one would be best, put it in the comments because I'm indecisive. If I was like Tommy RC, Kevin Cabot, Beyond RC, all these other RC YouTubers, I'd just buy both of them. But obviously, where I've just started out, ain't monetized, got limited stuff. Yeah, got a bit of branch stuff. Pause it there, I'll get it unstuck. Here's a view of the underbit. It's a bit dirty, but yeah. I've this morning, just before doing this video, I've done the back shocks, make them harder and stiffer. They were just too soft and it was making it stick too low. And there was no travel. And then my old Land Rover FMS, that's never really ever going to work. So I took the roof rack off and the front bumper. I've asked my granddad when I go over there if we can drill some holes in the body of this and screw them in and put that on, which would be quite cool and boost the looks and make it look better. So, sort of struggling where the front wheels are spinning faster. So I'm going to have to look at that because I don't know why it does it. Ever since I placed the drive shafts, it's probably why I haven't put them in properly, but you know. Well, this is quite a cool little section here. Nice little rut. Try to get up here. And got to go back down. Getting a bit stuck here on all this loose stuff. I've got to give it a few little taps to help it. Front wheels are just absolutely spinning and digging it into holes. So it's not very helpful in that way. Should have probably just gone back the other way maybe. But we like to be different and explore in the RC adventure. And see if we can get this little bit there instead of going down. Obviously with a few little taps. And we've got a leaf stuck. There you go. Whoa! Wheel, meet it up! Let's go! Oh, I definitely am making it up there on that bit. So if I go wider, definitely if you love little taps. Get it up. Way we're over. It's alright going down hills, but not up them. I'm trying not to help it as much, but I mean, always gonna have to, unless it was some massive thing. I watched a video the other day of Tommy RCs with the Liverarlo TK07, and I just thought how crazy that was, but like, by the size, but like how expensive it is. Because this FMS was what? I think it was £8. It was more than a cheaper, but not cheap side. But I just thought, wow, wouldn't it be great one day to have one of them on the channel? So that's one of our goals, to get a big. I was also watching one of the, or I can't ever say it, the Canadian guy, what's his name? Distin RC, with that big basher. I thought that's just so cool, but really expensive. Got this nice little section to try it up here. Push it up a little bit. Spin in. It'd be nice to still have my it is a trail truck, not a professional cooler, so that's why it needs struggle. But I mean, overall it's done quite well. I mean, I've had 12 bit here and there, but I'm impressed. So yeah, I'll end it in a minute. As you can see, we're going back to where we actually started. Unity Massive Loop. Like, it's quite big, but it's not that big. The woods, so it's really good for riding the bike. So at Christmas time, I'm hoping to get an action camera. I'd use it for stuff a bit like this, but also I've got the chest cam, so I put it on there and film when I go out on my bike, which would be quite cool. And then I can post. So yeah, I'll end it in a minute. It does. It's going as fastest, which is about walking speed. A bit slower. But yeah. Bye bye.